Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get mega seeds and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Mega seeds are special seeds that can only be obtained during the mega moon weather event. This is new event in grow a garden. When the event begins, you will see a new moon countdown on your screen. Once the timer reaches 0 and nighttime arrives, the giant mega moon will appear in the sky. And during this event, you need to claim the mega seeds. So this is how the mega seeds looks like, and you need to compete with the other players, guys. So you need to be very fast. And once you receive the mega seeds, you can immediately plant it, and once planted, the mega seeds grow into mega-sized crops. These giant crops produce much larger harvest than normal, making them a great way to earn more shekels and boost your garden. So guys, whenever you see the new moon countdown, don't leave the server. Stay until the mega moon event finishes for your chance to earn mega seeds. And don't forget to be very fast because you will compete with other players. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get mega seeds and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.